Yes, please.
Okay.
Also, let us know the advice for the layer farmers, please. Yes, please.
I have one advice, friendly advice for the farmers during the removal time, manure removal time. You must present one supervisor or operator for inspections during the movement, belt movement, belt driving. This is very important because if go to left and right during the working, this is dangerous for your belt, and maybe cutting the some part of the belt during the movement to the left and right. Then this is very important. You present one person during the removal time. This is not automatically. This is need to inspections during the removal.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. And also this practice is happening because two peoples are also there. One is the end side of the
Yes.
uh, cages and one is the removal side of the cages. And they are also watching and looking because there are three-man teams, the team of three peoples in Pakistan practicing the three peoples. Two are inside and one is outside to filling the trucks or tractor trolleys and then on and off the main system. When the trolley is full, then he off the system, and after when the
Yes.
new truck came, and then he will also start this system. So the team of three people are there for this one. So thank you very much. Also, let us know the special tips for the farmers, special for the layer cages farmers. And I add you one thing is that they must be take care of the alignment of the cages. That is very important for the feed trough, for the cages, because because of the running system of the feeding of the manure system, there is a lot of disturbance of the cages happen. So they will take care, and maybe after 1 month, they must take arrangement of automatic laser system. This very easy and very cheap system. You take a laser light and you check your alignment system, especially for the layer cages, and also that advice for the floor farming, for the broiler farming system. They must take care of the alignment of their feed system, their water system. They must take care to accurate their alignments. Then I think they have a very good result. And also you please add some more special tips, sir.
Alignment is the main and basically for installation, and without the alignment, you lose all of your performance in the cages. You're right, and this is very important because you have spent many dollars for your cages. Without alignment, you lose all
Yes,
of them.
obviously.
And also fixed cage block in the front and back, in the lens, in the foundations, fixing, very important also, because during the several years, tensioning and the movement between the legs, then you must fix in the front and back your cages to foundations, to the what is this in English? In the lens, in the floor space, you must just fix with the bolt. Maybe
Yes, of course,
You
of
must
course.
fix it.
And what is special tip for the egg collection? In my experience, it's very important of the egg collection, the timing of the egg collection, and you must, when you start your egg collection, you must watch one by one tier also. And also there is a very important that your one person should be stay on the main egg conveyor. You know, there is a lot of system. The lift system is also there, and fixed egg conveyor system is also there. So I recommend the fixed main egg conveyor system. And also one people should be there to watch there and also check the eggs. And also he will check the alignment first of the egg conveyor belt, because if you have a too much eggs uh, uh, together in the under the egg counter, so there is a problem of the egg counting. So you must, before starting the egg collection, they will neat and clean the egg sensors, or also before physically check all the egg belt. Maybe egg belt is loose, then they will go to tighten it. And also I think this is very important. Do you add something please for the egg collecting system?
Yes. In the egg collecting system also is very important, but we don't have problem in compared to the manure belt, because manure belt need to the more force and heavy. It's heavy in compared to the egg belt, and also is wider in compared to the uh, egg belt. But several things is very important you said about the manure, about the egg collecting system. Uh, Gentle wire and shock wire are options in the cage. But I must say one things about the wire shock wire system. You know better than me, in some of the country and type of the birds, cutting the nose, okay? And this is the sensitivity for the birds. Shock wires and birds, uh, what is in English? I forget it. Birds in the layers in some of the country and in the type of the birds. Uh, for the increase the cannibalism and other things, for the decrease the cannibalism and other things, cutting the shock, and this is not good for the layer birds, and birds go to wire shock, and this is not good in the layer. But the gentle wire is good. It's good for the, okay? And other things is very important. This is my experiences. This is my experiences. One collecting in the morning and another afternoon is better for increase the sellable eggs, decrease the dirty egg, decrease the crack egg, and other things. Twice per day. It's
Yes,
better.
yes,
And
yes,
other
happening.
things
Yes, this is
is
happening.
the lift. Lift is better than elevator. Lift system is better than elevator. Elevator have a one advantage in compared to the lift and this is the capacity of the collecting. But about the small farms, I advise to the farmers equipped with the lift system. Lift systems are reliable and safe in compared to the elevator, because
I think you are talking about the for the egg counting. Lift system is the best for the egg counting.
for the collecting, egg lift system is the better in compared to the elevator, because in elevator, if one egg broken on the basket of the elevator and
Yes, please. You are telling about the
now
lift
it's
system
good.
and elevator. Yes, now your voice is good. Please, you please start.
In the elevator, if one egg, yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
In elevator, if broken one egg of this egg drops, we have the dirty egg in our productions.
Yes.
Okay. And in the lift, you don't have this problem. And another thing is the adjustment and synchro between the manure belt, excuse me, egg belt and elevator. Basket must be exactly in the nice directions and positions near to the egg belt. If little go to up or down, you have many broken eggs. But in the leaf, you don't have this problem also. And also in the leaf, cleaning is easy in compared to the elevator. Hello, doctor.
Yes, yes, yes. You're right. You're absolutely right. And in my experience, also for the lift system is also best for the counting of the eggs tier by tier. Yes, it's very easy. Also, egg counters also sense, and also it's for the counting of the tier by tier. It's also very okay for also for the broker eggs. That's also very good. And I also recommend, yes, your this advice. And also the second is that the tension of the egg belt, yes, it's mandatory. And also I also add this, that before the collecting the eggs, the supervisor first go and only start the elevator if they have elevator. Then he will check the elevators, and he will neat and clean. And if you have a blower, you can start the blower in after 2 days you can blow. And also for the cleaning is best. And I also agree on that both advices of yours. And so thank you very much. So great. Thank you, Mr. Mahdi, for this great advices, because you did a lot of jobs, especially in behind. There's a 100,000 layers forms, and is 8 tier and 5 rows that forms, and the capacity of that forms is 100,000 layers. And that's why Today, our topic is for the layer cages, houses, and we did a lot of discussion. Thank you very much, Mr. Mahdi from Iran, sir. Thank you very much for your great advices.
You're welcome, Doctor, and thank you for your time. And this is my pleasure learning and study some issue from your side. Thank you, Doctor.